Guys and gal, Crazy 45 Cat. It's 20 to 6, and I'm cooking some barbecue chicken on the YOSHI mat, baby. Look at that, man. You guys gotta get this mat. I can't get over it. And let's see if you can see something over here. Let me get some blue background for him. Here he is. I think that's just the coolest thing, man. He's my buddy. Blackbirds aren't out right now. Tonight. It's pretty funny. Well, look at all those chemtrails. My God, the sky is full of them today. We're right in the landings in the flight pattern from MacDill Air Force Base. They run a lot of training stuff across the way. Yeah, it's crazy. See, way down there, there's some too. The sky's full of them. And that one's moving. But this is just hard to believe, man. He's looking the other way today. There he is. It's like an eagle that can turn their head, and an owl. I think it's 180 they can turn it. Alright, so I need to get some barbecue sauce put on this chicken. We're going to have some barbecue chicken and garlic potatoes for dinner. And I guarantee it's going to be good. Look at him. Oscar. Yo, Oscar. Putting his head down. Too cool. Alright. See you cats later. What a night.